Hello everyone! Ituro ko sa inyo kung paano mag-pattern ng skirt. Front skirt. Okay, ang una natin gawin is draw a perpendicular line. Mark the intersection as point 1. So, magawa tayo ng linya. Dito, 1 inch dito. Ang allowance, 1 inch. Dito, intersection is point 1. From point 1 downward, measure the length of your skirt. So, depende sa length of your skirt ang gusto ninyo. Sa akin ito is 20. Then mark point 2, then square the line to the right. So, from point 1 to the right, measure 1/4 of your waist measurement. So, point 3. From point 3 to the right again, measure 1 inch, point 4. Kasi this is allowance for the dart. Dart allowance ito. From point 1 downward, measure 6 inches, point 5. Then, from point 1 downward, measure 8 inches, point 6. Then draw a straight line going to the right, 5 going to the right, then 6 going to the right. From point 5, measure 1/4 of your first hip line, point 7. So, ang hip line ng first ninyo ng hip 1, makikita sa taas ng nyo. Wait, dito i-ano ko sa inyo. Ito yung first hip line, Dito, makikita nyo sa baba. Dito ang first hip line. Tignan nyo, dito, baba dito. Ang second hip line, dito naman sa umpok ng puwet nyo ganyan. Huwag masikip. Ganyan lang. Pag may puson, isama nyo na. Kasi huwag naman didikit na ganyan. May puson dito, isama nyo. Na maganyan nyo. Yan. Dito, second hip line. First hip line dito. Okay? Ayan. 5 to 7, hip 1 mo, 1/4 8, 6 to 8 is 1/4 ng hip 2 nyo. Tapos, connect 4 with the hip curve like that. Then, i-straight mo lang ang linya dito, pababa.